Hey everyone, I'm Michael Sazin, the Parrot Wizard, and I'm in Germany right now for the 5th annual Flieger Club National Parrot Conference. This club is especially focused on aviator and flight training for parrots, to be able to take them outdoors, to have them part of your life outdoors, and to be able to get the birds flying outdoors. This is the 5th time I'm coming here for this conference. Very excited. This is the biggest audience and participation we've had here yet. Hundreds of people, loads and loads of birds, very well trained birds. Very exciting to see the culmination of a few years' work coming out at this wonderful parrot event. So many activities to do. There's activities, how they show riding a bicycle with parrots, flying parrots outdoors. Lunch at they're catering all the breakfast, lunches, and dinners for 3 days in a row. It's a heck of a feeding out here. A lot of traditional German food.